Hello friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to change the WordPress username and password in cPanel. I hope you know how to reach to the cPanel, right? If you don't know, let me tell you that you just need to open your GoDaddy and while logging into your GoDaddy account, right, you just need to click on the profile icon over here, right, and you just need to click on my products, and then your products will appear, and you need to click on web hosting manage and then control panel admin, and then this particular screen will appear. If you don't know, then you can check our YouTube channel. We have created dedicated videos on it, like how to purchase a good domain name from GoDaddy, how to purchase a hosting plan, and then how to connect your domain name with your hosting plan, and then how to install WordPress application in cPanel on your domain name. And now I am going to tell you how to change the username and password of your WordPress application in the cPanel, right? As you can see, I'm into the cPanel, and here you need to scroll down to the application section, and this is the application section, right? You can install a new WordPress application by clicking over here, but as we have already installed a application of WordPress, then we are going to click on view more. We have installed many WordPresses on many domain names, right? And here we are going to change the username and password of this WordPress application installed on this domain, right? So we just need to click and select this WordPress application, and here there is a button of edit. You can click on this edit button, right? And you need to go to the settings, and here in the settings you can go to the application, and here in the application you can change the username and password of your WordPress admin dashboard. You can also change the administrator email ID, and then can simply click on save, and your WordPress admin dashboard username, password and email ID would get changed. So this is how you can change the WordPress admin dashboard username and password, right, using control panel. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.